Why don't seniors play hide and seek? Because every time they try, it turns into a game of bingo. Someone always forgets what they're doing and starts calling out numbers. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bingo for seniors. Tip 1. Understand the rules. First and foremost, understanding the rules of the game is paramount in ensuring not only a successful game, but also a fun enjoyment for seniors. This includes knowing different game patterns, bingo lingo, and regulations of the bingo hall you're playing in. Tip 2. Arrive early. Arriving early at the game venue will give you plenty of time to get familiar with the location, meet new people, find a comfortable seating spot and buy your bingo cards. This can help reduce stress and give you a better overall gaming experience. Tip 3. Choose a comfortable spot. Sitting in a place where you can clearly hear the auctioneer call out the numbers increases your chances of winning. It also ensures that you don't strain or feel uncomfortable during the game. Tip 4. Buy the right number of cards. Managing multiple cards can be overwhelming, particularly for beginners. Stick to what you can comfortably manage in a game. You may gradually increase the number of cards as you gain experience and confidence. Tip 5. Stay focused. Bingo requires concentration in order to keep up with the number calling pace. Avoid distractions so you don't miss out on any numbers being called. Tip 6. Use highlighters or daubers. These specialized markers can help you mark the called out numbers quickly and accurately, reducing the potential for errors while trying to keep up with the game's pace. Tip 7. Practice regularly. Like any other game, the more you play, the better you become. Regular practice helps you to improve your speed, accuracy, and overall performance in the game. Tip 8. Opt for quieter sessions. Since bingo requires focus, the less noise and chaos around, the better. Opting for quieter sessions where fewer people are present can increase your concentration and enjoyment of the game. Tip 9. Stay positive. Bingo is a game of chance, and sometimes you may have a bad day. Keeping a positive attitude encourages good spirits and makes the game more enjoyable, regardless of the outcome. Tip 10. Socialize. Bingo is a great social activity for seniors, more so if it's played with friends. Besides having fun, socializing can also be beneficial for your mental health. Tip 11. Make your health a priority. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the game, but remember to consider your health. Regular breaks can help prevent stress and strain. Carry snacks, a water bottle to stay hydrated, and any medication you may need.